Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Here's everything that you need to know here about Xiaomi's next Ultra flagship. According to the latest news, the new upcoming Xiaomi 15 Ultra launch date and hands-on live look video leaked. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Xiaomi is expected to take off covers from the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Ultra later this month. An unofficial poster has emerged on the Chinese social network Weibo that reveals the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's official launch date in China. Additionally, a real-life hands-on video of the phone has appeared to give a better look at its rear camera and panel design. So, what is the expected launch date of Xiaomi 15 Ultra smartphone? The poster, as you can see in the video, reveals that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be unveiled at 7 p.m. local time on February 26 in China. It is reported that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra device is expected to be showcased at the MWC 2025 tech exhibition for the global market. The MWC event is scheduled to take place between March 3 and 6 in Barcelona, Spain. How the Xiaomi 15 Ultra looks like in real-life hands-on video. The hands-on video of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra corroborates the recent leaks surrounding the phone. The handset can be seen sporting a renewed design for the quad camera setup, Leica branding, and the pill-shaped LED flash on back, as compared to last year's Xiaomi 14 Ultra. As per reports, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will comprise a 1-inch 50-megapixel LYT900 primary camera with OIS support. It will be complemented by a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and macro shooting capabilities, and a 200-megapixel Samsung HP9 periscope telephoto with 4.3x optical zoom. For selfies, the device Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to feature a 32-megapixel OmniVision OV32B camera sensor. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra may feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO panel with a micro-quad curved design. It may offer a 2K resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and HyperOS 2.0 flavored Android 15-based operating system. While it is expected to arrive with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage in China, the global market could be treated with a single 16 GB plus 512 GB version. It may pack a 6000 mAh battery with 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging speeds respectively. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.